Does it go anywhere? Oh shit. Damn. There's a whole room back here.
I ain't going in there. You can.
What are you looking at?
It looks like a dead end anyway.
There.
What did
I just got a drop. Fuck yeah.
What did it call that stuff? Names and that's fucked up.
That might be someone's last name. Damn, dude, this shit goes, man.
Keeps going.
It keeps going. Makes me curious. Oh, this one's tight. Oh, what the fuck. Alright. Alright. Alright, you're good, you're good. Stop freaking out. Alright. Oh. Wow. That's crazy, dude. There's a whole room, but you have to belly crawl it. Wow, dude, this is so cool. Can you even see me anymore? Fuck. Alright. Let me just crawl a little bit. Oh, it might peter off right there. Damn. I'm already dirty fucking. Holy crap, Zola, dude. They are. There's some pretty nice crystals back here, too. See what's over there. Fuck it. Yeah. Come on, light. Don't turn off on me now. Oh, man, it dead ends. Alright, I'll just make my way back. Too late. Alright, man, not to freak you out, but I am. No, I'm just kidding. I'm coming. Alright, I'm coming. I'll stop looking around. Alright.
Yeah, I want to smack the shit out of whoever did these carvings.
What'd they do?
There's like 4 or 5 of them in the walls. 4 by. Yeah, I found another calcite deposit over here too. That's nice.
Oh.
That's what it was, right? Calcite?
Calcite, yeah.